Hey girl, welcome back and thank you so much for checking out today's video. I have a new wig here from Luvme Hair. Here's everything that comes inside the box. They include a detachable, adjustable, elastic band, a custom Luvme Hair rat tail comb, a custom claw clip and edge brush, a box label card, and a mesh storage bag to help store your wig, a set of HD wig caps, and some user guide cards. This wig right here is a part of the Luvme Hair PreMax wig collection. This wig here comes in 8 different lengths, starting with 16 inches going all the way to 30 inches. And the specific wig I have here is in the 22 inch. It is a beautiful water wave texture. The curls are so fluffy and beautiful. And this unit comes with regular lace instead of the HD lace, but the lace still looks immaculate. It is pre-everything. It comes pre-parted, pre-plucked, and pre-bleached. And there's also an option on the website to order the wig with your lace already pre-cut. And this is a 13x4 lace frontal unit. So the lace goes ear to ear. There is a lot of parting space and playroom with this wig. And of course, it comes with a glueless cap construction. So there are 3 combs in total, 2 in the front behind the temple. There's also 1 comb in the back and a silicone gripping around the perimeter. And it's not shown here, but there is a place for you to add the adjustable elastic band, which does come included in the package. And of course, this wig comes with a Flexi-Fit cap, but it also comes with a pull and go drawstring to give you the perfect custom fit. This wig is truly gorgeous. Luvme Hair definitely thought of everything when they crafted this wig. I did a very simple install for this wig using some new products, and I'm really excited to share the process with you. I found this lace adhesive spray at my local beauty supply store. It's by the brand Kiss, and I am very impressed with this adhesive spray. It's so much better than any other spray I've used for my wigs. It has a really strong hold and it lasts a pretty good amount of time. I like to apply this in layers. For this wig, I use 2 layers of this lace adhesive spray, and I make sure to let each layer dry in between. And once it dries down clear and it's really tacky, that's when I go in and apply the wig. Now, I did not do any type of prep to this wig before installing it. Normally, I would tint the lace, but I decided to not do that with this wig because the lace on this unit was prepped pretty well that I didn't feel like I had to tint the lace. I like to use the back of my edge brush to press the lace into the lace adhesive spray. That gives it a really seamless melt and ensures that the lace is actually stuck to the adhesive. And this unit here did not come pre-cut, so I did end up cutting the lace myself using some shears. But like I mentioned earlier, you can order this wig with the lace already pre-cut. And a little tip that I recently learned, the more pressure you apply to the lace of your wig, the better the melt is going to be. So I like to apply my elastic band to my wig as many times as possible. So you'll see me apply the elastic band several times throughout the process, but that's to ensure that I get a really good melt. And you'll notice that I opted to do the ear tabs / sideburns last, but that's only because I have a really hard time seeing without my glasses, and doing this part requires me to take my eyeglasses off. So that's why I opted to do it last. But it's the same steps for the sideburns. I did 2 layers of adhesive spray, letting it dry in between each layer, and once the adhesive got really tacky, that's when I laid down the lace. And then melted it with the edge band. And I was initially hoping that I would not have to tint the lace on this unit, but as you can see, it is very white. So I'm using my favorite lace tint spray, this one by Kiss, and I'm spraying it on a foundation brush and then stippling it into the lace. And yo, look at the results. It is definitely a big difference. And once I have the lace fully installed, that's when I tighten the drawstring in the back. You just pull the drawstring as tight as you need it and then tuck in the little dangly part. And that is the full install. I absolutely loved how it turned out. These are the natural curls. I didn't do any manipulation to the curl pattern. I didn't add any water or extra product. This is how the curls look straight out of the box. If you're looking for a really cute wig to wear this summer, I think this is a great option. I absolutely love the water waves. They give me vacation vibes. Like I mentioned, there is a lot of lace on this unit to work with. Even though it comes pre-parted down the middle, you can part it anywhere within the lace, and it's a 13x4 frontals, so you have a lot of parting options. And this hair texture is pretty easy to maintain. Once it starts to get dull or a little dry, you can then spray it with some water, add a little bit of conditioner and either some oil or some mousse, and that will refresh those curls and have them looking brand new. And this is a 100% human hair wig, so you can always straighten it, curl it, restyle it however you'd like. And as long as you treat her with the proper care, these gorgeous waves will come right back. So if you're interested in this wig, I'll have the direct links and all of the information down below. This wig is currently on sale. It has a pretty good discount right now, but you can use our special coupon code. I'll put it right up here on the screen. You can use it at the checkout and save an extra 28% off of your total order. I hope you enjoyed this video or at least found it a little bit helpful. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.